Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of $0.329567 and a market capitalization of $11,526,042,342. Digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which is genuinely critical. Some huge venture banks even get Cardano and other cryptographic forms of money altogether to by and large safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that injures the customary monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ADA market that really depend on the readings of our exceptional crypto unpredictability record that in every practical sense assists us with checking the market opinion and especially expect where and which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of Cardano is $0.329567, while the coin at present really ends up at 7th spot in the general positioning, or so they fundamentally thought. The said certainly positioning truly is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its certainly current market capitalization, a recipe that especially is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients get the most significant information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to really consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On July 12, the cost of Cardano was at $0.292830 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change in every practical sense added up to 13.82%. 7 days prior, on July 6, ADA sort of was esteemed at $0.284404, and that actually intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on June 13, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.275320. In this way, the coin truly has taken a 19.70% action to arrive at its current standings. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors, which is very huge. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which explicitly is very critical. Changes in market capitalization really sure negative, most certainly are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both certainly short and long-haul viewpoints, which is genuinely huge. This really specific measurement especially is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano, corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To decide the really current market capitalization of ADA, we sort of increase the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will be made sense of later, by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $11,526,042,342, which frames the reason for sort of present certainly positioning in every way that really matters, was referenced prior. Yesterday, on July 12, ADA had a market capitalization of $10,239,120,632, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Keep going week. On July 6, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $9,940,605,114. A month prior, on June 13, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to be $9,610,882.07 win. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been delivered by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can truly be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets, or with caretakers. This measurement additionally calculates the coins that have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate, which is very huge. At this point, the absolute stock of Cardano is laid out at 35,967,965,707 ADA. In conclusion, the coursing supply is utilized to compute the market capitalization and evaluate the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It indicates the kind of generally speaking measure of ADA that is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which is very huge. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they for the most part are probably going to basically see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, or so they thought. At this point, Cardano has a circling supply of 34,973,274,830 coins. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $447,837,420 when, yesterday, on July 12, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $198,810,582. 7 days prior, on July 6, how much ADA that basically was traded between market members truly was assessed at $231,757,665, in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto unpredictability list, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will really follow over the course of the following 1 to 5 years in an unpretentious manner. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a very exceptional recipe for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Cardano cost expectation. In the business, tomorrow on July 14, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 13.70% move that will at last take the cost to the $0.374730 level incredibly. In 7 days, the cost of Cardano will generally raise a ruckus around town mark as the consequence of a 16.46% move. In 30 days, ADA will approach the $0.294206 level inside a 10.73% cost modification. In a half year, Cardano will end up at $0.376431, as the cost will move by 14.22% incredibly. In 1 year, the cost of the coin being referred to will move to $0.458240 as an outcome of a 39.04% cost change. The CVIX predicts that in 2 years, Cardano will lay out a traction at $0.468606 after a 42.19% cost change in an unpretentious manner. In 3 years, ADA will show up at the $0.901137 cost level in a 173.43% move. In 4 years, merchants will see Cardano at $0.991251, which is a 200.77% cost shift. In 5 years,